Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that make your beauty routine smarter, simpler, and just a little more fun. Today, we're taking a closer look at the KIKO Milano Eyebrow Designer Gel Mascara, a clear gel formulated to help keep brows perfectly in place while maintaining a natural look. It's marketed as lightweight and easy to use, so let's see how it really performs. This clear brow gel comes in a standard mascara-style tube with a small, tapered wand designed to coat and set each hair without clumping. Its lightweight formula promises natural hold and flexibility, so your brows stay in place but don't feel stiff. Unlike tinted gels, this one is transparent, making it suitable for all hair colors and styles. In my testing, applying this gel was straightforward. The wand picks up just the right amount of product, and a few quick strokes are enough to shape and define brows. I appreciated that it didn't leave any residue or sticky finish, which can be a problem with some other brow gels. It held my brows throughout the day, from morning meetings to evening errands, without flaking or fading. The lightweight texture makes it easy to layer over brow pencils or powders without looking overdone. One thing I noticed is that it's excellent for natural, everyday looks. But if you prefer very dramatic, sculpted brows, this gel alone won't give that extra structure. It's ideal for smoothing stray hairs and lightly enhancing the shape rather than creating bold, graphic brows. The pros: lightweight, clear, easy to apply, long-lasting hold, and flexible. The cons: not ideal for those seeking highly sculpted or tinted effects, and the wand may feel a bit small if you're used to larger brushes. Considering the price point, KIKO Milano delivers solid value. You get a reliable, everyday brow gel that keeps brows neat and natural looking. Compared to some higher-end gels on the market, it performs just as well without the hefty price tag, making it a practical choice for regular use. Packaging is sleek and functional, and the gel's formula seems durable enough to last several months with daily use. If you're exploring alternatives, there are tinted gels or slightly more structured clear gels available, but for a pure, no-fuss hold, this one stands strong in its category. So overall, the KIKO Milano Eyebrow Designer Gel Mascara lives up to its promise. Lightweight, natural-looking hold that's easy to apply and comfortable to wear. It's particularly suited for anyone wanting well-groomed brows without feeling weighed down or overdone. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to grab this gel is in the comments or description box. If you've tried it already, drop a comment below and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.